So here we are, last gig of 2020. I'm gonna try and gig log this thing. Now I'm no Rick Webb or DJ Barr, but I'm gonna give it an honest effort here. Getting ready to leave the BUNN DJ company offices right over there and hit the road to Georgia. About a 5+ hour drive, play some tunes. Actually going down a day early. The wedding is tomorrow. With all that 2020 has thrown at me, I was terrified to try and get up and drive all the way there and do the whole thing in one day. So heading down to Georgia. Hope you guys will follow along on the journey. Let's go. All right, team, made it to Georgia last night, chilled out, watched a movie, and now today is the show day. It's Sunday. Just did the final prep for Tommy and Haley's wedding and getting ready to hop into BUNN Benz and hit the venue. It's called Barn South, somewhere down here in Georgia. But let's get it. Tommy and Haley's wedding. I'm at Barn South, which is in Pendergrass, Georgia. Never been here in my life. They just opened, I think, in March or April. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Just want to walk you through what I'm using today for the setup. Quick note, Dominic, who is my marketer for the DJ's Vault, this is his brother, Tommy's wedding. Obviously, they're both DJs, so you got to bring the good stuff when you play for another DJ, as everybody knows, all right? Let's see what we're working with here. So today, we got, of course, the BUNN Gear Command Center here set up. 2 of the Nova Pro totems, Electro Voice Evolve 50s, and that's my main setup here for dancing. Again, here's what the room's kind of looking like. They're setting that little bar up in here. It's a little Vespa. Anyway, back to the gear. So like I said, BUNN Gear Command Center. We're rolling Surface Pro over here is running Show Express, which is running all the uplights around the perimeter of the room, as well as the movers. Got the DDJ 1000. Just got that. That's the white edition. Obviously running the MacBook Pro with Serato, and then got a little lavalier pack, which is running out there to the cocktail hour. Running the new EV-RE3 microphone, V-Moda headphones, handheld right there. That's pretty much the setup in here. Let's go check out the cocktail setting. So here's the vibe for cocktail hour. Hand sanitizing station. Actually have an Airstream out back where the grooms hang out, or the groomsmen hang out. Very cool. Fire pits. I mean, guys, this venue is incredible. Look at these things they even built for the air conditioner units with their branding on it. Super dope. So out here, what do we have? Just EV Evolve 30, and then that Sennheiser G3 just sitting on top, communicating back, as you can see through those doors, back to the main DJ booth. And then I'll put a delay on this so it doesn't sound weird. There's our cocktail rig. All right, let's take a walk down the path here. Check out the ceremony setup. Check it out, check it out. There's our ceremony setup. The chair's like a nice distance apart. I wouldn't say 6 feet, but hey, it's Georgia. Love, love, love this little setup up here. As you can see, I got the handheld up here. They have a singer, and then my setup is back here. So let's check this out. Got my Sennheiser battery powered setup right here with all of my mics built right in to the back of this. And this is the LSP 500 by Sennheiser. So as you can see, no wires. I got a little shelf set up here for the music. Got my lavaliers synced up and ready to go. And that is our ceremony rig. All right, so that's kind of the tour of all the gear. Looks like we're about 40 minutes from the start of the prelude music. We'll check back in with you guys.
It's meant to be a fulfilling and gratifying experience. God created marriage to be a picture that proclaims the gospel of Jesus Christ. Thank you for this couple that you have brought together, and thank you for their desire to love each other well. Jesus, thank you for the sacrifice that you endured on the cross, making it possible for us as believers to have salvation through your
We can take the world, darling, you unforgettable in every way.
That's a wrap. Long day, but Totally worth it. Tommy and Haley are married. I didn't get as much dance floor footage as I wanted to. I'm sorry, folks. There's just a lot going on when you're solo. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we'll try it again. Not sure when my next gig is, probably 2021, but hope you guys liked it. Thanks, I'm out. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the bell to be reminded, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to learn more about growing your mobile DJ company, check out thedjsvault.com.